how to decorate your photos with stickers and Genmoji. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the gallery application on your device and select any of the pictures. So as you select on the picture, simply tap on it and here you can see the edit icon. So tap on it. As you tap on edit icon, you can see there are different options over here. So there are basic two options like basic and create. Now since we want to add stickers, we can tap on create and here you can see the option of sticker. So tap on sticker and you can see there are different options over here. So you can add whichever sticker that is more preferable for you. So let me select sticker. You can arrange it wherever you would like. And as you're done editing or adding stickers over here, you can just put it wherever you would want and then tap on save, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.